What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Blue Fusion back at it again. You already know the drill. We are doing Make It Miniverse, Make It Mini Nature series right here. Alright, and today we're doing the American Tree Frog, another one of the favorites that I wanted to do that we got out in the wild, right? So here we go. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so we're going to start with our rocks that we got here, our pebbles. Alright, so we're going to have to cut these open. And then we're going to put them in here in our granite slab. Actually, this might be difficult. I don't know how I would like stack them up like that.
Unless you do the resin first,
I was
and
gonna
that
say
might help.
like resin. So like what? Like have like a pile and then like dump resin.
I guess.
Right. Alright, let's use these. Mix it around a bit. There we go. It's a lot better. Because then I can stack some on top. Put some there. If you guys do remember when we did the koi fish number 2, we have some leftover pebbles, or rocks, I guess you could say, from pebbles. So we're going to dump some of those in, right there on the side. Then we're going to open up our little plants right here. There you go. And then we'll put that on the side right there. Just like that. And then, right, we're waiting for our tree frog. Here it is. Thank you. American Tree Frog from Aqua Sun Company. There you go. Let's pop him out. Oh, okay, if I take this off, he shouldn't, hopefully he doesn't jump out. Okay, he's good. He's a little tamed. Here we go, we got a little American Tree Froggo right there. Alright, and we're going to put him on the white rocks here. Resin everywhere. Just like that. Then there's a small one right here. Then I'm gonna put to cover the white. Just like that. Clean that off. Okay. So now we have to add more resin. But that has to act as the water. There we go. All over. I think that's what you're supposed to do. If not, well, rip in the chat. give it more texture. And we'll just throw it into the curing process.
Okay.
Alrighty, everybody. We are done with the curing process. And this is our result. Right there. This is the American tree frog. He's like staring at freaking lilies or something. Yeah, let's spread those apart a bit. There you go. Yeah, there we go. It's a bit better. As you can see, it's got rough texture to it still, but it still keeps that clear, watery effect on it, I guess. Like it's a little pond for him. Alrighty. If you guys did enjoy this video like I did, make sure you hit it that thumbs up, and we will catch you in our next video.